How many times have you been asked by your boss to handle a project that requires you to speak in front of a large group of people? How about speaking with a small group of friends? In any situation, speaking in public can be one of the hardest things that we have to do. In order to overcome this fear, sometimes you just have to face it head on. In this course, we'll be doing just that, practicing speeches and using techniques to help you feel comfortable addressing large audiences or one-on-one conversations. We will also address the 5 speech styles: informational, instructional, impromptu, scripted, and persuasive. These 5 styles are probably the most popular when used at any given time. Whether you're in a formal setting or just speaking to a few friends, being able to communicate is key when you're trying to get information across to someone. So in Module 1, we will be addressing the 5 styles I just spoke about and why they're important. In Module 2, we'll learn about the no-fail method. That's where will learn about the importance of using an introduction, a body, and a conclusion within a speech. Did you know that nonverbal cues can sometimes be more important than using words? Although we talk about, verbal cues, in Module 3, we're going to address the importance and discuss the need for nonverbal cues when addressing your audience. So public speaking starts with a plan. So let's get started, shall we?